What is up, my beautiful babes and babes of the world? It's your girl Keelan, aka Itskeilynnn, and I'm back with another mother freaking video. Now, as y'all can see, I have already done my base and everything. And then the basic stuff, just highlight, just contour and concealer and foundation, because this look is focusing more on my eyes. So, I am going to get into this video. I look very different. I don't know why, but yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna hop into this whole look is gonna be out of my James Charles palette. I still can't find the sheet to tell me the colors, so y'all, if y'all have the James Charles palette, then y'all know what I'm talking about. If not, I'm sorry, I lost the thing. So the first color I'm going to go into is a transition color, and it is, I think this one is called Punch Me, if I'm not like mistaken. I think this one's Punch Me. So I'm going to take Punch Me and put that all over the eyes. I've already primed my eyes off camera, so I'm going to put that all over the eyes. So now that I have my eyes primed, it is time to go in with, I can't remember, I think this one's called Beans. I'm gonna take Beans, and then I'm going to add that into my crease. So now that I have Beans and my crease, it is time to take, I think this is Boo, but I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. And I'm just going to add that onto the outer corners of my eye. This look is kind of going to be a smoky eye, but we're going to add, it's going to be a glitter smoky eye. By the way, if you can't tell, this is day 2 of, oh crap, this is day 2 of 12 days of Christmas. It is the 15th. It is day 2. We are going to do this as much as I can. So yeah, I'm gonna add a Santa hat on top of my eyebrow in a second. I probably should have started with that first, but whatever. So now that I have that blended into my eyes, I am going to go ahead and clean up my crease. As you guys know, I love doing the smoky look, but I have to have my crease clean because I don't know, it's just something about it that makes it look more crisp, look better. So that's what we're going for. You know, I want to continue to grow as a upcoming or as a self-taught makeup artist. So yeah, so I'm going to take my concealer and clean up the crease. And if you guys don't know, like, I've seen a lot of people do this, so I'm pretty sure like a lot of you do know, but for the newer like people that are just now getting into makeup, to clean, for me to get like the precise crease, I take my concealer and I put a line on the bottom and look up, and the concealer should transfer from the bottom to the top, and you can just fill in it's basically like coloring at this point. You just fill it in. Yeah, I can't remember what the red is called from the James Charles palette, but we're gonna take this red shade here and go in with it and put that over that concealer. I'm also gonna spray my brush. I'm gonna spray my brush with my setting spray just to add more pigment to the color. All right, so now that we have that red, it is time to go in with glitter. Now these are just loose glitters that I got from Amazon. I think I got like a pack of 30 for $10, so I was like, you cannot beat that. Y'all know me, I'm broke, so yeah. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this glitter stay on, and then wait for it to get tacky and add the glitter on top. Alrighty, so now that we have the glitter on, it is time to, first I'm gonna dust this glitter off my face because it is kind of everywhere. So now I am going to go in and start drawing the Christmas tree. Now, I mean the Christmas tree, the Santa hat. Now I'm just gonna put it over one eyebrow. You don't have to do this. You can stop at this point, but I just feel like this is like a basic look for me. Like I wore this for my birthday, so I'm going to go and draw the Santa hat on top of the eyebrow to make it even more Christmassy. Just starting off the basic with just the white part of the hat, where I'm just outlining, and with this pencil I'm just basically just drawing like a cloud on my eyebrow for the hat. And don't worry if you make a mistake, because you can always go in with concealer and fix it before we add anything else to it, because as you can see I have messed up, but that is why we have concealer. So I'm going to take my brush and fix the mistakes. So now I'm going to go back into to that red in the James Charles palette, and I'm just going to color in the Christmas hat. So I'm going to go back and spray it some more just so I can get more color and more pigment in the red, and continue to fill it in. So now I'm just gonna go and take my small pencil brush. I don't know where it came from, but I found it, guys. And I'm going to go in and spray it with the setting spray and go into the white color that's in the James Charles palette and fill in where the white is on a Christmas hat. Now for the white, obviously you do have to build it up, so I'm just continuing to build this color up so that it will show off better. But I think we're doing good, guys. Like, what do you think? Alright, so now that our eyebrow has our little Christmas hat, it is time to continue on with the face. I'm just going to put my mascara and my eyelashes on, and I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, so now that we have our lashes on, the ones I use are just the Kiss, and they are the Beehive, the one that comes in 4. I bought them at Walmart. I just thought they would be like really cute and wispy for this look. So now that I have that on, it is time to finish the rest of the face. I'm just gonna add some mascara to my bottom lash line, then smoke it out with that red from the James Charles palette. So now I'm going to go back into Beans and then smoke that out underneath my eyes as well. That done, it's time to go into our blush. Now for blush, I'm just going to take, I feel like taking Juicy and Bashful today. And I'm just going to put those on my apples. Now for highlights, I am going to take Heartfelt, and I'm just going to put that on my cheekbones to highlight. So now I'm just gonna line my lips with this NYX Professional makeup pencil in the color, let's see, I don't know, Nebula. So now I'm going to take this, it is the Infallible Paints Matte, the L'Oreal Paris, in the shade, I don't know, it's Cinnabomb. And I'm going to apply that to the lips. And of course I'm going to go in with Heartfelt, highlight that Cupid's bow. Now it is time to set the face. And this, guys, is the completed look. I'm honestly really shook at how this turned out because I, as you all know, have no artistic skills, but this turned out to be so good. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for just sticking around. Always remember, stay classy and a little bit trashy, and I'll see you at my next video. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video, day 3 of 12 days of Christmas. See you guys.
Okay, my intuition never lies. There's nothing you can never hide. Already got this.